If you watched the last video, you heard me mention Make.com as one of the 5 tools worth knowing. A few of you asked for a deeper breakdown, so here it is. Make.com is a visual automation platform. You connect apps together without writing a single line of code. Think of it like a flow chart that actually runs. Each box is an app, each arrow is an action, and the whole thing executes automatically on a schedule or trigger. The core concept is simple. A trigger starts the workflow and actions follow. Same logic as programming. If this happens, do that. Except you're dragging boxes instead of writing functions. Here's a real example. Say you get a new form submission on your website. Make.com can automatically add that contact to your Google Sheet, send them a welcome email, create a task in Notion, and post a notification to your Slack channel. All of that happens in under 3 seconds with zero manual work on your end. Here's another one developers will recognize. Every time a new issue gets opened in your GitHub repo, Make.com creates a corresponding task in your project management tool, assigns it to the right person, and sends a summary to your team, Slack. No more manually syncing tools that should already talk to each other. One more. You run a content channel. Every time you publish a new video, Make.com automatically posts the title and link to your Twitter, LinkedIn, and sends a newsletter update. One publish triggers everything. That's the point. Make.com connects to over 1,500 apps. If it has an API, Make can talk to it. Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, GitHub, Notion, Airtable, YouTube, Stripe, Shopify, all of them. The free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month, which covers most personal projects and small workflows. Paid plans start at $10 a month when you need more volume. For developers specifically, Make.com is the fastest way to prototype an automation before committing to building it properly. If you can prove it works in Make in 20 minutes, you know it's worth building in code. If it doesn't work as a concept, you saved yourself a full day. Start with one workflow. Pick 2 tools you use daily that don't talk to each other. Build the connection in Make. That's it. One workflow changes how you think about automation entirely. Link to Make.com in the description. Subscribe for more automation and AI tool breakdowns every Monday. See you in the next one.